Volkswagen's renowned crafter van enters the 2024 model year with a refreshed interior boasting state-of-the-art technology and enhanced features, reaffirming its position as a leader in the large van segment. Despite retaining its familiar exterior design, the latest iteration of the VW Crafter showcases significant upgrades within the cabin, setting a new standard for comfort, convenience, and connectivity. A key highlight of the 2024 VW Crafter is its redesigned dashboard, aligning it more closely with Volkswagen's passenger vehicle lineup. The centerpiece of the interior is the standard digital cockpit, which seamlessly integrates a digital instrument cluster with a 10.3-inch infotainment display. For those seeking an even more immersive experience, an optional upgrade to a larger 12.9-inch infotainment screen is available. Notably, the new MIB infotainment system features updated graphics and introduces ChatGPT integration, enabling intuitive interaction through natural voice commands. In addition to technological enhancements, the 2024 VW Crafter prioritizes practicality and functionality. A multifunction steering wheel with physical buttons, reminiscent of other VW models, ensures easy access to essential controls while on the road. Further interior refinements include a redesigned gear selector for the automatic gearbox, a relocated electronic parking brake, and revamped climate vents. These modifications contribute to an optimized layout, freeing up valuable space for enhanced storage options on the center console. Safety remains a top priority for Volkswagen, with all trims of the updated Crafter equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite. Features such as front assist with autonomous emergency braking, lane assist, dynamic road sign display, and acoustic park distance control provide peace of mind on every journey. For those seeking additional sophistication, optional upgrades such as Travel Assist further enhance the driving experience. While the exterior design remains largely unchanged, the 2024 VW Crafter maintains its versatile powertrain lineup from the previous model. Customers can expect a range of options, including different iterations of the 2.0-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. Additionally, the fully electric VW eCrafter continues to offer an eco-friendly alternative with its electric motor producing 134 horsepower and a 35.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Pre-sales for the updated VW Crafter are set to commence in mid-April, signaling the beginning of a new era for large vans. As Volkswagen continues to innovate and refine its lineup, it is anticipated that similar updates will be extended to other models, including the Grand California camper van, in the near future. In a fiercely competitive segment, the 2024 VW Crafter faces off against rivals such as the all-new Renault Master and Nissan Interstar twins, as well as offerings from the Stellantis lineup, including the Fiat Ducato, Citroën Jumper, Peugeot Boxer, Opel/Vauxhall Movano, and Toyota ProAce Max. With its latest enhancements, the VW Crafter reaffirms its position as a versatile, reliable, and technologically advanced choice for commercial and recreational use alike.